Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make the background color changer using JavaScript. Here is the quick demo of the project that we are going to build in this video tutorial. By clicking this button, you can observe the background color of the whole HTML document is being changed. So the main aim of this video tutorial is just to explain you the JavaScript code. The source code of this project will be dropped in the description box below, and you can find the whole code including the JavaScript in the description box below. So let's get started with this. Welcome back. As you can see here, I have a simple button with the class btn, and the first and foremost thing that we have to consider here is just to access this button with the class btn. So by clicking on this button, we have to execute some function, and in that function we are going to change the background color of the document. And you can see that function over here. The whole code that controls this project is here, that is in JavaScript. So document.query selector with the class btn, that means I am accessing this button, and here I have added this event listener. That means by clicking this button, some function should be executed, and that function is change_bg, and I have defined that function over here. And you can see in this change_bg function I have a variable values, and here I have some array of values. So starting from 0 to 9 and from A to F, all these are in the string format. So the reason that I have taken these values is, so first of all, here if we want to give the background some color, then we want some format of representing the color like RGB or hex. So here in this video tutorial I'm going to use this hex. So we want hex color codes randomly chosen. So with these values we can make all the possible colors with these hex color codes. So with these values we are going to create these hex color codes, and we are going to assign them to the background color of this HTML document. So let us see how can we take those random colors. So here I have created a variable hex with an empty string, and you can see its usage in a second. And here we have these values. So using all these values we can make up the hex color code. Actually in this hex color code we have 6 characters. So here that means here to select the random things I want 6 iterations in order to get 6 color codes. So here for that 6 iterations I have created this for loop, and I'm iterating through these values for 6 times, and by iterating in that I'm just selecting some random things in these values, and you can see that code over here. If you are not understanding this line, you would be facing problem with this math.random. Don't worry, I have dropped the link in the description box below about this math.random, and you can check out that over there. So here I'm just collecting 6 different values from this array, and here the value of a hex is going to be changed over here. And for the next step, this color is going to be equals to hash plus hex. So here I have 6 characters, and those 6 characters are going to be concatenated with this hash. Because the format in HTML that we use is just we have to define the hex color code with the prefix hash. So that is the rule that we follow in HTML. So that is the reason why we have to concatenate this hex color code with this hash. And finally this document.query selector HTML, that means I'm just accessing the whole document, that is the HTML tag. And then for that HTML tag I have accessed the style, and in that the background color property is going to be set to this variable color. So the value that we have gotten here will be assigned to this. That means the whole background for this document is going to be changed. So when we click on this function, this process is going to be done. So I hope that you have understood these whole things, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If I'm correct, just hit the like button and subscribe button for more videos. And finally, thank you.